Okay, welcome to Collier Middle School. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this chart, line 5 and 10, and I'm going to explain each thing I put in. I've already started it, but what I'll do is I'll review what I did and then continue. Understood? Okay, so we were given only three things. We were given let's see, let me look. We were given P, we were given P, the protons, the charge, and the isotopic name. IN, thank you for participating. IN means isotopic name. Okay, this is going to be real important for you because you had missed some time, okay? Now, so let's review a few things. A is mass number, which is the protons plus the neutrons. Z is the atomic number, which is the number of protons. E, electrons, is the charge minus the number of protons. Clear? I'll explain more about that in a minute. Isotopic name is the chemical name, dash, that's a dash, not a minus sign, A, which is the mass number. This is the isotopic symbol. X represents the chemical symbol. In this case, Ca, we're doing calcium, that's no secret. And that's the mass number is the superscript, and the atomic number is the subscript. Clear? Now, I want to do one more thing. And if this is the number of protons and neutrons, the mass number, and if the atomic number is the number of protons, it would be simple to say mass number minus atomic number will leave you with the number of neutrons. You can see this is P and N, this is P. If I subtract off the P's, I'm left with the N. So the equation, very simple equation, would be N equals A minus Z. Just the difference. Clear? So in this case here, if you know the isotopic symbol, it's very, very easy. It's just that minus that. Now, so Z is the number of protons. So those things match. Clear? 40 is the mass number, but where do we get that? We were given this, calcium-40, pronounced calcium 40. So right there is the A. So that's why I can do that as an A. A minus Z, which is here, I got Z from this, is going to be 20. So I have 20 neutrons and 20 protons. Now, oftentimes with the light elements, the number of protons and neutrons are very similar. Not necessarily the same, but similar. When you have heavier elements, that's when you get large differences between protons and neutrons. The neutron, and this is in the nucleus, now this is important. The neutrons are actually the glue that holds the nucleus together. And let me show you what a neutron really is. Let's say that's a proton, and this proton has a mass of 1, okay? Now, we say that the electron is so small, it has no mass. It does have a mass, but it's very small. So, the proton and the electron in the nucleus have a special relationship. Let's say that that's the electron. It's a special adherence to the proton. This is what a neutron is. A negative charged electron connects to a positively charged proton, and that stays in the nucleus. And that's what a neutron is. It's really a combination. And we'll talk more about that when we do nuclear chemistry. But a neutron is really a positively charged proton combined in a special way with a negatively charged electron, positive one, negative one, zero charge. Get it? Okay, excellent. So, now, the number of electrons, I have a charge of +2, and I know that I have +20. So, do a thought experiment. What number do I add? Let me rephrase that. What negative number do I add to +20 to get +2? -22? No, because that would be -22 and a +20 would be -2. So what would I add to +20? Patrick?
-18.
What is it?
-18.
Correct. -18. So this would be 18 electrons. Clear? We know what the name is because all you have to do is look here. It's calcium. Clear? So the name, the chemical name, is calcium. And then the isotopic symbol is CaAZ. The chemical name here, or this is the chemical symbol. What I did was, there's a little bit of redundancy here because I want you to see the connections between and among the various things we're looking for. Clear? So the chemical name or chemical symbol is very similar to the isotopic symbol. The chemical name is very similar to the isotopic name. A and Z are related. All of these are related in some way. So now I know this is calcium, that's the symbol, and we're finished. Clear?
Clear.
And I'll turn this off. I'll reset for the next one. Good explanation? Did you follow it?
Yes.
Did you
Yes.
follow it and try to follow it?
Yes.
Not, did you follow it and not try to follow it? You get it? So did you try and follow it?
Yes.
Okay, excellent.